Have you ever wondered what software developers do? Let me explain what it's like to work as a Python developer from my perspective. I'll be focusing on Python development in the context of backend development for web projects. Some people may not like it, but I'll use the terms like Python developer, software developer, and backend developer interchangeably throughout. I have worked on several projects, ranging from maintaining legacy code in large corporations to designing new features from scratch in startups. Despite the variety, all projects followed the agile methodology, ensuring a consistent workflow. The responsibilities of a Python developer across these projects had commonalities. Fundamentally, working as a programmer or software developer is all about solving problems. By problems, I mean both creating features based on stakeholder demands and fixing existing bugs. For example, stakeholders might want to integrate their application with Google so customers can authenticate using their Gmail accounts. Alternatively, there may be bugs causing issues that frustrate customers. As programmer, you leverage your skills in programming languages and other technologies like databases or messaging systems to tackle these problems. The responsibilities can vary significantly depending on the team size and the division of duties. In smaller teams, a backend developer might also handle DevOps tasks such as setting up continuous integration and server administration, or even project management tasks. This often depends on the experience of the developer. In some cases, developers might also manage support and handle bug reports directly from customers. Generally, the more experienced developer is, the more responsibilities they take on, which typically leads to a higher salary. For example, I currently work in a smaller team within a semi-enterprise company. Here, as a backend developer, I have a broader range of tasks compared to my time at a large corporation. Early in my career, I primarily fixed bugs as a junior developer. Once those were resolved, I often had to ask my older colleagues or project manager for new tasks. I just didn't want to waste my work time, though I understand that some people might prefer having less to do while still getting paid. It all depends on your goals. I don't judge. Moreover, I believe testing is an important part of a Python developer's job. Using test-driven development, or at least writing unit tests along with the code, is essential. When there is no dedicated QA engineer, developers may also need to test features or fixes manually and create automated tests. This is probably the most common and the most enjoyable part of the job for developers. Features are demanded by stakeholders and are part of the sprint goals. It's time when you feel like you are building something significant. Personally, I enjoy it a lot, especially when I have a say in how it's done, including choosing technologies and designing the architecture. Developing new features is crucial, but typically it has a lower priority compared to fixing bugs. Sometimes, features that are already built and running in production need improvement based on customer feedback or changing stakeholder requirements. Stakeholders might want the application to work differently or extend its functionality, such as sending notifications to customers after a specific event. This includes any improvement of current functionalities, including performance optimization. You can reduce the number of bugs, but you can't eliminate them entirely. Bugs are the part of the game. They range from serious and high priority issues, often reported by customer support, to minor bugs that don't significantly impact the system's functionality. My approach to bug fixes involves reproducing the issue, debugging, fixing, and then testing. For bugs reported by application customers, monitoring tools like Sentry are very helpful, as they can alert you to issues before customers even notice them, and provide detailed error information for debugging. These tasks usually have the lowest priority in the sprint. Technical depth includes writing documentation, increasing test coverage, or refactoring legacy code. I usually take on these tasks when the main sprint goals are completed and there are no urgent bugs in the air. An important part of software developers' work is team meetings. This includes agile ceremonies like daily stand-ups, sprint plannings, and retrospectives, as well as other meetings like knowledge sharing sessions. These meetings enhance team collaboration, improve performance, and lead to better results. In summary, a Python developer's role is dynamic and multifaceted, involving new feature development, improving existing features, fixing bugs, managing technical debt, and actively participating in team meetings to ensure smooth project progress and continuous improvement. Are you willing to become a Python developer and you found it interesting? Or you already work as a software developer and it differs from your daily responsibilities? In both cases, please share your opinion in the comment section. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.